Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate EV charging automations using Home Assistant Companion step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Home Assistant installed on your device. Download the Home Assistant Companion app on your smartphone. Open the app and log in using your Home Assistant credentials. Navigate to the settings within the app. Locate the location settings and enable the Bluetooth option. Return to the main settings menu and select Integrations. Tap on the plus icon to add a new integration. Search for EV charging in the integration list. Choose your preferred EV charging solution that is compatible with Home Assistant. Follow the prompts to link your EV charging service with Home Assistant. Ensure your EV charging station is powered on and connected to the same network as Home Assistant. Next, go back to the main dashboard of Home Assistant. Click on the Configuration tab in the sidebar. Select Automations to create a new automation for your EV charger. Click on Add Automation to start setting up the details. For the trigger, choose an event that will initiate charging, such as a time schedule or current electricity rates. Set conditions if needed, like ensuring that energy prices are below a certain threshold. For the action, select your EV charging integration to start charging your vehicle. Save the automation and make sure to test it out by triggering the event. Verify that the charging starts as intended when the event is activated. If successful, you can repeat this process to create more automations for different scenarios. Finally, monitor the charging status through the Home Assistant dashboard to check on your vehicle's progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.